Loving it is the first component. Seriously, we love the brand. We tout it all the time. And I think one of the things that you made me realize was that you can be very strong in business, but yet carry a lighter side to you. You really forced me to think about every single answer, and really pushed me to understand who I am as a person and how then we can communicate that to the community, because I'm not going to be the right fit for every person. At the same time, it filters out or gives people the opportunity to say, hey, I like that. I like what she's all about. I like that she comes from a place of service. It's really hard to talk about yourself. And that's where I was when I met you. Like, I can write anything and make it sound good, but I can't talk about me. So when you put it in writing, and I don't know if you remember, but I don't really cry. I actually started crying, and that says volumes of how much attention you guys put into that. What's really cool is I've been able to get some time back. So I'm going on fewer appointments, but converting more. And that to me is a win-win, because in this space, when you're working 7 days a week and you're just constantly out there, if you can gain back 2 hours from a listing appointment that wasn't going to be a fit anyway, that's a big win. Going into it, I don't know that I could have been that convicted with the statement. It was probably more like, well, all right, let's try it. If I lose another X amount of money, whatever. But the outcome was amazing, and you have outperformed anything that I have ever expected. You guys make it so simple. Seriously, it's so thought out, it's so organized and orchestrated. And I didn't even fully have to use everything, because just the beginning parts that I embraced blew it out of the park. Am I talking to like other people who might be using you? Because here's what I'm going to say. Like, it's not an option. You need to call them. If you need to put it on a credit card, they're not paying me. Not kidding. They're not paying me for this. You need to do it. Honestly, it's been that beneficial to the business.